It is great to have you back here at Coin Lady channel. As always, I'd like to talk about XRP today, but before I do, I have a favor to ask. What other topics would you like to hear about? Leave a comment below. What I want to discuss today, then, is XRP, which is undoubtedly occupying the thoughts of all individuals. Most notably, the release of Brad Garland's house, in which he would provide his market opinion, was still pending settlement. Now, we are aware that Brad has publicly declared that an Xrp ETF is inevitable, and we definitely know the idea behind it. It has made a lot of things possible, including an altcoin possibility. After this settlement, XRP may finally begin to take off, as we are already aware, but who knows? We might even enter the meme currency ETF area. What does the prospect of an Xrp ETF mean? Larry Fink and Brad Garland House have been discussing it, so let's have a brief chat about it. Even though we've seen Bitcoin ETFs come and go, we're still not seeing any for Ethereum. Consequently, we are aware that prior to the debut of the Bitcoin ETF, there was a great deal of anticipation and buzz surrounding the cryptocurrency. You know, it's just the way life is. Obviously, the fate of the Ethereum ones is still up in the air. I think XRP, on the other hand, would be extremely comparable. Looking back at the rumor that started circulating about the potential XRP ETF about 6 months ago, we saw a significant influx of volume into the market. However, at 51 cents per coin, XRP doesn't appear to be the best option for institutions looking to purchase an exchange-traded fund, ETF. A tremendous rebound popped up to 78 cents in an instant, only to retrace its steps in the opposite direction. The hunger is evident, then. I also have another desire. Furthermore, I think it's important for Brad to come out and talk openly and precisely about the current state of XRP ETFs, because it shows that there are debates happening. Otherwise, people would just talk about random data, especially when it comes to XRP. It does nothing new and does not increase the price. I believe this has been brought up in conversation, but that's about it. And I believe that's when things start to get interesting for me. Regardless of the size of the settlement, under $10 million or over $1 billion, it is necessary to resolve it as soon as possible. The SEC is definitely in a bind, which is something we already knew. Plus, we were crossing our fingers that Joe Biden would not veto size 121, which we had hoped would be reversed. The outcome of it will be determined by us. One section, however, is reserved for the years to come. When discussing XRP, prepare 51. 2. You should anticipate receiving $1. I believe it is this morning. It won't be long until that settlement is behind us. But then you wonder, what exactly is an exchange-traded fund? How can institutions be satisfied within that budgetary range? So, it's just going to cost $345 and $10? At what point do you bring up XRP? More precisely? That is to say, while some may dial 1,000, others may dial 10,000. The answer is unclear. In the near run, though, I'd put $1, time will tell, isn't it? I believe that after ETF potential, we might possibly witness something a bit higher. What happens is something we will just have to wait for. I remain really optimistic about XRP. This is a lot of news, in my opinion. Additionally, I believe that being silent and not having news might be beneficial at times. Lots of things occur behind the scenes, and when you least anticipate them. Plus, it's based on what I've learned while doing my current job. I couldn't agree more. In my opinion, the current focus should be on XRP consolidation in preparation for the ETF excitement, and the settlement could take place this week. I don't know. Well, that concludes our video. Do me a favor and subscribe to my channel. Coming up shortly, farewell.